Hello, welcome you all. 10 participants. Get one. Okay, you can enter your USN on the chat box available. Okay, we'll just continue. I'll just copy the same particular thing. See. So now I'll change this particular thing, the name as worst case. Worst case boundary value. Okay, so we'll just copy the table also, the same table I require it. The next table also I require it, but not the same particular values. Let's see. For the template, I'll just keep this. I'll just eliminate all the values that is present inside it. Okay. This is my template for your worst case boundary value analysis. How many test cases I require? How many test cases? Can anybody guess? Can anybody type it? How many test cases? 125. Yes, Samiksha, you're right. How it is 125? Should be 5 to the power. So cap, let's say, yeah, where n is number of variables. So you need to design 125 test cases. So remember it. So how it can be done? I'll just show you the demo. Okay, 5 to the power of 10. So totally it should be here n is 3. So as per that condition, it will be 125. 5 to the power of 3 is 125. So how to do that? What we'll do is we'll just take the ID name as worst case boundary value analysis with respect to first case. I'll keep this particular side 1. It's a Cartesian product, I'm telling you. So once we are taking this particular thing as Cartesian product, I'll keep this as a constant one till all the remaining combinations are over. Now 1 is there. So in this particular 2 also, I'll take 1 followed by 1. I will fill this particular expected output later. Don't worry about it. We'll just concentrate on how to take this particular values. Okay, so WBVA 2, if I take it. So what will be the value? So second time also this will be remaining one and the same. Second one also will be one and the same, but the third side value will be increased to one value next to the minimum. The third case, 1, 1, this is also 1 only, 5. Next one, WBVA 4, 1, 1, 9. WBVA fifth case. Now in the fifth case, 1, this side 2 is also 1 itself. Next one is, it's nothing but the looping statements. Inner loop, if it is over, then I can come for the outer one. If it is over, then I can come for the outer one. In this particular manner, I need to go with it. Now I'm dealing with respect to side 3 changes. Only side 3 I'm changing it. No, there is no change in with respect to any other particular. Same thing holds good. You need to add 2 more particular values to your variable table. So if you add it, then it will be holds good for your worst case robust boundary value analysis technique. So that's what it will be another flavor of your boundary value analysis technique itself. Now, sixth case in this. Now, all these particular things are over with respect to your side 1 and side 2 with respect to 1, 1 as constant. Now, what I'll do is I'll change it. Side 1, I'll remain it as it is. But as side 2, I'll change it to. So with respect to this, 1 will come into picture. Similarly, WBVA. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. 1 followed by, this remains 2, this is 2. Similarly, WBVA 7, this is 8th one with respect to this 1 followed by, this is 2 itself, there is no change in it. So with respect to this 2, now this will be taking it as 5. The next value is WBVA 9. So with respect to this 1 followed by 2, now this one is 1, 2, 5 is over, next 9 is over. Next one is WBVA 10. So with respect to this case, 1 followed by 2 as usual, 10. So that means 2 test case, 2 particular designs are over. Same thing, you can just apply it for just 10 cases. Remember, 10 cases are over. This is 11. 11th cases, 1 is over, 2 is over now. Now I need to go with the next value, that is 5. With respect to this 1, what happens? 1 followed by 5 followed by 2. What happens? This is your 12th case. This is your 13th, 14th, 15th. Okay. 13th case will be 1 as usual, 5 followed by 5. 14th case, 1 as usual, there is no change in it. Since we are into the second loop is not ended, so we need to continue with it. So it will be 5 itself. Now for this 9. Similarly, 1 followed by 5 followed by 10. So this is over now. 16th case. So now 16th case will be 1 as usual. There is no change in it. Next one is 9. With respect to this 9, 1. Similarly, 17th case. Just write down 17, 18, 19, and this is 20. This is 1 with respect to this 9 itself and 2. 1, 9 followed by 5. 1, 9 followed by 1, 9 followed by 10. Whatever may be the expected output, don't bother about it. You need to follow the same particular rule. So that's why your test cases will be increased. Okay, 21. So once again, 1 will be as it is. Now it is at the end of that particular second particular terminology. So second side is at the end. So 10 followed by 1, same thing. WBVA 22. This is 1 followed by 10 followed by 2. WBVA 23, 23rd case, I'm just talking about 1, 10 as usual. This is 5. WBVA 24, 1, this is 10 followed by WBVA 25, 1 followed by 10 followed by 10. So here your journey of your since it is 10 10 10 10 10 will be the 125th case. So this is just 25 cases for just getting your first particular loop is generated. Next I need to move it to the 2. So same particular thing. There's no change. WBVA 26. So it starts from 2, not 1 from 1. So 2 followed by 1 followed by 1. WBVA 27. So 2 as usual. So till your 50th case, 2 will be there because from the first 25 cases, 1 was there for the side one. Similarly, for your from your 25th, 26th one to 50th one, 2 will be there. So only thing is you need to just play around with respect to your second and third side. Once it reaches the 50th one, you can change the value of your side one with respect to your 51st value. So it keeps on changing. So 1 1 1 2. Okay. Similarly, the next value will be WBVA 28 2. This is 1 itself. This is 5. WBVA 29. So it takes on 2 followed by 1 as usual. There's no change in it. So this is for the 30th value, your first particular set changes. BVA 30. It is side 3 completes. 1 followed by 10. So now side 3 is completed. Side 2 you need to take. So with respect to side 2, once again the same thing continues. WBVA 31. So 2 as usual. This is now 2 with respect to this 1. WBVA 32. 2 with respect to this. 2 only with respect to this. This is 2. WBVA 33. This is 2. This is 2 followed by next value will be 5. WBVA 34th place. So 2 followed by 2 itself followed by 9. 35th case 2 2 10. Now your round 2 is over. So WBVA 36th one. So 2 this is. Now this has to be changed. So it starts from 1. 37 2 5 2. 48th case, 2 as usual, 5 as usual. Only thing is this is also WBVA 39, 2, 5, WBVA 40, 2, 5, WBVA 41. So this is 2. Next one is no 5. 5 is over. So next one is 9. 9 with respect to this one. WBVA 42. So it is 2 followed by 9 as usual, followed by the last value will be changing to 2. So WBVA 43, case number 43. So what it says, 2 followed by 9 followed by 5. WBVA 44. This is 2 followed by 9 followed by 9. WBVA 45. 2 followed by 9 followed by 10. Six. Now this is at the last particular round with respect to your 2. So outer loop 2 will be over. Remaining 3 you need to just do it. So this is 10 is okay with respect to this 1. WBVA 7, 1, 2, 10, 2. WBVA 48, 2, 10, 5. WBVA 50. So end of this particular second loop is over now. So 10. Similarly, your loop changes from 5. So any doubt? Hello? So can you continue? For remaining, how many cases left out? 50 are over, right? How many are left out? 50 plus 25. 75 plus 50 is 125. Okay, 75 cases. Can you write it? I don't want this particular column. Listen carefully. This actual column, you can eliminate it. Status column, you can eliminate it. But right now, I just wanted to fill this particular expected one. So you have a lot of time. If you have any doubt, still you can just call me up, no problem. And also try for your next state problem. I'll just give you the table. What may be the variable values or variable things that it could be contained. Let's see. This is for state problem. Just keep this in your this design in your head. Once we come across this, it will be easy for you also as well as for me also to explain this next state problem I'm talking about. So there is no sites. Just eliminate all these particular values. What are all the variables that we will be having with respect to your next state problem? One is date itself, or day, you can say it. Next one is month. Next one is, last one is here. So minimum value for your date will be from 1. The maximum value will be fixing it as 31. How good it is, how bad it is, we'll just need to know. Because maximum date value, last value that you can take it is 31. Whether it happens in one particular month or second month or consecutive months, we don't know. But last date that we can have is 31. So that's why I'll fix it as 31 itself. Now with respect to your minimum plus 1, it is 2. So nominal value will be either 15 or 16. Anything you can take it. That is up to you. Last value previous to that particular value is 30. So similarly for your month, it starts from 1. There is no ambiguity with respect to your month or year. Year, there is a little bit. We'll just see it later. So no problem at all. Month, there is no ambiguity. 1 followed by 2. Next value will be 6. Last but one value is 11. Last value is 12. So it is very clear. Whereas your year, it does not start from 1. It starts with 1812 because it is taken from one type of calendar called as Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar, what it says is, it will be taking the values from your 1812 itself. It will be considering. From there, your particular entire leap year and all those particular details was explored. So because of it, 1812 is the minimum or starting year that will be taken. And value next to it is 1813. The nominal value, it purely depends on the maximum value. Maximum value where you want to take it. So if you want to take it with respect to your 2012, as they have given it with respect to your textbook, it will just to have a mid value, they have given it. It will be around 1912 as the mid value. So this is what it will be. So purely it depends. You can just change this particular value to 2020. Once you change it, you need to change this particular value also. What will be the value if you calculate and tell me that, then it's okay. I can just write it over there. Just 2019 will be the previous. Yeah, what will be the nominal value? 2020 plus 1812 divided by 2. What is the value? Anybody? 1916. Okay. I'm very weak in mathematics, so whatever you say, how much you'll be giving the input, depending on that, I'll just write it. So this is my table. What I want you to do is, you need to design a table. I have designed a table for triangle problem, right? So next date problem, I have given you the variables, how it will be taking and all those things. You just record this if possible, or else I'll just send you this particular video. So just take care about this particular variables and the minimum and the maximum point values, how this input has been considered. What you need to do is, you need to design the table. As we have done it with respect to your normal boundary value analysis for your triangle problem, the same type you need to design it. This is what I was just talking about. The same test case design, boundary value analysis 1, 2, 3, 4 for your next state problem. Is it clear, all of you? Don't worry about the program. Program I'll explain you later. Okay, how to get that particular output also I'll explain you. I'll just send you the screenshots also. Tomorrow, if possible, I'll do it, and I'll just send you all my particular recordings till date, whatever I have recorded, where you are also available in the class. So all the details, I'll just send it in or put it in the Google Drive. You can just download those things. So any doubt with respect to today's class? So how was it? You got an idea now, at least, to design a test case? Okay, Sushmina, I'll just unmute you. You just give your feedback so that you can just come to know where is there any improvement needed or not. Okay, yeah, you're on air, I think so. Yeah. Hello.
Hello, yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. It's audible.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I understood everything, sir.
So you can design your own test case design now. If I give you any problem, you can design it.
Yes, sir. I got the idea, sir.
You got an idea. Okay, thank you, ma'am. How
Yes,
was
sir.
class?
Thank you. Yeah, it was good, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone? Okay. So out of 15. Only 15 members have been. Okay, 67. Who's this? Hello? '67. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir.
I didn't get your name. Sorry.
Ranjita.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Tell me, how's the class?
Yes, sir. It was good.
Okay, you got an idea how to design the test cases now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can design a test case if I give you any problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Thank you. Anyone who wants to?
Okay.
Yeah, anyone, if you are willing to talk, I'll just unmute you. Anyone else? Saptami. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Whatever the things that I'm covering through online classes, is it understand? Is it in the
Yes, sir.
understanding mode? You can
Yes,
understand?
sir.
You got it? Everything?
Yes, sir.
There is no doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you, ma'am. I have a lot of doubts. Maybe by Monday evening, this is not for you, for all. Monday evening, I'll be conducting one test, that is quiz. So be prepared for it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
ma'am. Okay, thank you. Thank you all. So hope you enjoyed this particular class. We'll just continue the class on Monday morning. 10 o'clock, my class is there, right? So I'll just we'll just meet on that particular day. Okay. So you can share this with respect to your other team members or classmates also. If possible, tomorrow I'll just share it. So I'm just working on this. So if possible, tomorrow I'll just send all the particular videos. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.